Good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and today is Monday, July the 29th, 2019. And today I'm going to do a video on how to get leads and traffic for your CBD oil business, mainly the Hempworx business. I myself am a Hempworx distributor, and I struggled for a long time. I promise you, this is not easy. It's not an easy business, but once you finally get it, it's very lucrative and it's a fun business actually. But it's a struggle to get people in. It really is. I don't care what anyone tells you. If they say it's easy, they're not telling you the truth. It's not that easy. But when it all changed for me is when I found this other system, which helped me tremendously start getting leads to my other business, which is Hempworx. I actually have another one also, but this is going to be about the Hempworx. But the name of that business is the Power Lead System. And let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. This is my login right here. Right, it's a marketing system. You can use this for any business you have, any business you want to market. I can market as many businesses online as I want to from this system. That's how great. If I want to be, if I'm in Avon, Mary Kay, CBD oil businesses, have a traditional brick and mortar business, I can use this system to do that with. It's that simple. And that's what the attraction was. And that's what the attraction is to get people to come to you is this system. They need something different. See, right here, let me show you my Hempworx website. Everyone's seen this before, I know. We got all these systems in here, marketing system, the websites. Well, when you see this on the internet, Hempworx has been around a little while now. As soon as someone sees this, they're going to know, oh, it's that Hempworx stuff again. Well, with the Power Lead System, you can create multiple, endless pages, capture pages that still lead to this, but it's something different. It's something someone hadn't seen before. You can go in here and take what they have of all the capture pages they have. And they have tons of capture pages and sales pages. You can change them to fit what you have. Plus, most of them are generic anyway, so you don't know exactly what it leads to. It's a generic capture page, which can be used for any business you have. That's the attraction. And it can get very overwhelming here also on what's in here. But this is an internet marketing training center. That's actually what it is. When you go to training, let me show you this. You've got all this back here. Some of this you have to pay for, but the majority of this is free. Here's the training area, which is Internet Training 101. I promise you, you're not going to get anything any better. You click log in. What I do is I use a username and password for my Power Lead System. I just use the same thing for this. And then here's all your training. It doesn't look like a lot across the top, but it's very, very much a lot. I like a lot. But there's daily tips, there's training, there's different topics, YouTube training, system video, marketing, replays of all the hangouts. Days and days and days of being back here round the clock, and you'll never get through it. It's that good. I promise you. And let me show you this also in the training area. This is one of the main things I wanted to do this video for is the Endless Free Leads Mobile is what you're going to get. If you're a gold member of Power Lead System, that's where you've upgraded from being a customer is $30. You get all this. But to sell the system again, you have to pay the $20 affiliate fee. So it's like $53 something a month. But if you're a gold member, you get all this, the ones that you don't have to pay for. But the endless leads comes with being a gold member. Now, what happened was I ended up getting endless free leads through the internet before I knew it was in Power Lead System. I didn't even know it was in Power Lead System, and I wasn't even in Power Lead System yet. So I spent money for this. And let me show you. This is what you're going to get in the back office of Power Lead System of the endless leads. And this is excellent training, everyone. It's excellent. Right here, you're going to get all this. And there's scripts for the social media networking. There's scripts here. There's 177 pages of scripts for every situation you could possibly imagine. Let me show you here real quick. I use this about 3 or 4 times a week for a couple hours a day, and I get about 15 or 20 leads every day that I'm talking to. I mean, it just goes on. It's endless. That's a good name for it. It's endless. So there's 177 pages of these scripts for every situation. Let me see if I can. Let me show you the table of contents here. Let's see if it's right here. Right here. Look at this. These are all scripts, everyone. Training information for the newest recruits. Someone's a real estate agent, wants to make extra income. I mean, it's everything you could possibly imagine, and it's right here. For instance, let me see if I can find it here. I love to do the LinkedIn, Facebook. Okay. You know, it's just little messages you send to someone. Hey, your page just come up on Facebook as someone I should like to know. After looking at it, I'd have to agree. Perhaps it came up because I have so many friends in Orlando. So you can take all these scripts and get them to fit you. And some of them are just exactly like you need them, but you can just fit them however you need to fit them. And then you could see where it may have the comeback of the other person. If they say this is what you would say. I mean, that in itself is worth getting the Power Lead system, the gold membership. But that's what I wanted to tell you guys today about is the Power Lead system, what it can do for your other business. I'm telling you, with the Hempworx, I struggled trying to get people, as great as a bit of a business as a CBD oil business is, it was a struggle. And once I started using the Power Lead system, I started making money with the Power Lead system and didn't focus so much on the Hempworx, like beating it to death, that it all just fell right into place together. And everything just kind of meshed together now and it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly for me. So I wanted to get this out to you because I've actually, in the last few days, I've got a couple people that's contacted me. They've gotten the Power Lead system. They are already in Hempworx. So this is not a recruiting thing for me for Hempworx. I mean, if you're seeing this and you're not in Hempworx, contact me and we'll get you in Hempworx on my team. But these are people that's contacted me. They're already in Hempworx. They've already got sponsors. That's fine. I'm just here to help them with this system here, and that will help them with their Hempworx business. And if I can help any of you out there at all, contact me. I'm not here to take anyone's person. That's not what it's about. It's about the Power Lead system helping you with your business. And like I said, if you're not with Hempworx and would like to get with Hempworx, reach out to me. I'll even leave a link in there for that. Below the description, there's going to be a link for going into the Power Lead system. And there's also going to be a link for the Hempworx business if you're not already in Hempworx. Or if you're in any other business and you see this, it still applies to you. I'm just doing this video for people that are in Hempworx. But like I said, contact me, reach out to me on Facebook. This is my page right here, Curtis Fillers. Send me a friend request or send me a message on Messenger. Let me know you're sending a friend request or vice versa. Say, hey, I saw your video. I'm interested. What can you do for me? Just reach out to me. So hope you guys have a great day. Thanks again for watching the video. If you got any value out of this, please like the video for me and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. Thanks again, guys, for watching this. Thank you. Bye-bye.